always stay hydrated. For the finest beverage in town, Monster Energy.
Water.
Right now we're going for the bonus round. Completely forgot we were filming a video, just having too much fun out here, letting our freedom flow. Then he was like, hey, are you gonna drive my car or what?
This is Project Neighbor. It's about 1,000 horsepower Coyote with a VMP blower on it. This is it's kind of like my version of your Mini.
I drove yours. How about you drive mine? So I was like, huh. What was I gonna say? But yes. That was badass. He was kind enough to let me drive his car, seeing as he drove mine. That was an experience. 1,000 horsepower, I don't know, 4,000 pounds, like drifting an off-road truck, but so sick.
Yeah, it's great. It's like over 3 times as heavy as the Mini.
And like going from that to the other, it's like the lightest car ever to the heaviest car ever in like 10 seconds. But yeah, that was awesome. He said I did good. He said it good. He was like, you have crushed it, dude. Dude, just killed it there, you've crushed it. The fact you just, in like 3 minutes, linking it around. It's so different to driving normal cars, but yeah, power, just stand on it and just, blah, America. We already had a bonus round. The bonus round was driving neighbour, Cleetus' Crown Vic with 1,000 horsepower. So this is bonus. He's like, hey, come over here, check out what else we do. I'm like, and so we're over here at an airfield, mini airfield, flying planes. I mean, I'm not flying planes, obviously. That is a bad idea. But we're over here checking out, making videos about planes and stuff. So no branching out, I guess. So this is very new to me. I'm sure it's gonna be cool though. I'll see some stunts. Also, just to update, it's still hot. I don't know if you noticed, but like this place is wild. Like I would take California 110 all day long over this. This is nuts.
Yeah, you stand in front of it with your butt.
They've got like 25 horsepower, but
it's really gonna be. What do you want me to straddle the whole?
Yeah, like that.
20 cc's.
There you go. Now put your heels there.
If you hold on tight.
Now sit down on the top. You start moving.
Yeah. You're gonna film to it.
was better than our flight here.
Or should we?
Way smoother. And he pulled the handbrake at the end.
Drift it.
I've done a skirt.
Mr. Allen.
That was actually awesome.
That was
I had no idea. I had no idea what this was going to be like, but that was actually insane. That little thing did all sorts of crazy stuff. I didn't see his hands. You would have filmed his hands. I feel like there was a lot going on. I'd just be like,
It'd be up, spin, floor. I reckon you go up, do a thing, and then.
I know what I'd do. I'd fall over. I'd be watching like this.
Because you're watching it move, like.
Fall straight over that pipe, straight on the floor. I'd just trip over. I'd fall over.
What's that?
You ran out of gas as you came down?
No, I have a switch. It has so much thrust at idle, it'll keep going.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's like off of, what is it? It's off like a pencil case. What even is the wheel off of? It's off of.
It's an off-road one though.
So I guess the tail repair was pretty good.
We did,
Oh, you did it together?
but it was not the way I would have repaired it.
Well, it seems to have held up.
We kind of just stuffed everything inside and put a whole bunch of epoxy and clamped it. So, but it was either that or buy a new fuselage. So,
Are these pricey?
what, do you know what the price of this plane is, Gary?
I think they're like $5 grand.
About $5 grand.
$5 grand, everything ready to go.
I mean,
But this is a high caliber.
yeah, you
It's a
can pay less for
120cc two-stroke engine.
it. Is it?
Yeah.
I bought this one used for like a deal, $3 grand. And
Well,
then I
no,
wrecked it on the first flight.
We bought it.
Now I have about 7 in it.
We bought it sister used, right? This one was brand new.
Yeah, and then I destroyed it. Yeah, because I don't have the same like level of don't care with a brand new one. Now that it's correct once, I'm like, I crash it
As
again.
far as flying these planes, that's pretty crazy, right? Can't imagine I've seen that.
It's nothing compared to the top dogs, though.
Is it not?
But it's definitely a
We're good.
advanced pilot.
So guys, we've had a great time out here at Freedom Factory. I drove his car, he drove mine. We did a great switcheroo, swap around, or whatever you want to call it. The 1,000 horsepower Crown Vic was wild and a transition from driving the Mini just before, but it was great fun. I think he also had a great time, as you've probably already seen. I kind of invited myself. He's kind of accepted my invite of myself to Lay Mullet's 2.4 hour race in November. So with that being said, I hope you'll see lots more of me soon at the Freedom Factory. To all you new subscribers from Cleetus' channel, I really appreciate it. Keep supporting me, please. Everyone else, likes, thumbs up, they're the same thing, I think. I've been saying it for a while now, but I think they're actually the same thing. Comment below, tell me what you thought, good or bad, I appreciate the feedback. And of course, subscribe, it helps a lot. This thing's taking its toll, but we're having a lot of fun, so please support. Next time.